This is Yogesh from Tirupati Healthcare Software Solution Company. We are a leading healthcare software development company since 2014. Right now, company have various healthcare software solution for maintaining their activities like a small clinic, laboratory, pharmacist, radiologist, blood bank, and etc. As well as the large scale healthcare institution to integratedly maintain their operations, reports, and analysis and quality indicator report and meet their quality, accuracy, transparency, turnaround time, and various healthcare compliances. That's why we are bringing you advanced technology based application software. In the same reference, today's presentation, I am going to present you the pharmacy software, software operational flow, their key features plus advantage and reports and operational methods like that. So this is detailed brief software will give you an idea how the Tirupati pharmacy software will help you to maintain your medical and pharmacy relevant activity operations and reporting part and giving you the productive reports like that. So let's log in with the respective software application with the system. The application having multi-user and multi-system accessible, role-based access, admin, super admin, non-admin like that. So we go to here user login. So according to the pharmacy module, there are the key information modules here in front of your screen like the dashboard, medical center, and pharmacy. The pharmacy central pharmacy uses for the administrative and backend part where the pharmacy purchase, GRN, purchase order management, vendor management, stock management activity are performed. Rather than the out sales, medical sales is helpful to maintain your out sales supply, patient sales activity, their sales report and like that. So though this is for outpatient sales activity, this is the backend part of the pharmacy management system like that. So as you know, if we maintain pharmacy, there is the key information how the flow will work. First of all, anything you would like to sell, they that should be have to stock in credit via inventory. So where two things, one is the item, another when the vendor is compulsory to maintain a credit report or purchase history, and then you will be able to proceed for further sales, stock transfer like that. So let's go to the maintain doing so pharmacy central module. The center pharmacy, here you can see these are the main menus type tab in the top row which you show the references events in the pharmacy. First of all, let's create a product master for the pharmacy where you like to maintain. So here we have add drug master or view drug master or drug medicines name. If you like to see previous available medicine, you can find out the medicine, you can search the any product names configuration and you can check it then and update their respective information if you like to do so. If you want to create any new drug or master item medicine master, you go to here and you can maintain here drug kind, either it is human, veterinary like that, either it is injection, tablet, ointment like that. So let's create 2-3 item for sample examination. For example, let me create a general product for you, and it is the kind of general product or something. If you know the specific composition, drug and salt name, you can specify, otherwise you can make it a general composition like that. So here how the medicine should be taken or the consumable product you can define here, SOS or once in the day, twice in the day like that. So I put here product name SUPRI Supridol 2 ml injection. Okay, so it is an injection, so let's define the product type is the injection. And here company name, which companies the product belongs, we can select the company name. Here if the product name having HSN code or tax ID number, we can mention that also during the product preparation. And what is the product preparation, like 100 packing, what is the taxable rate, for example it is the percentage 6% of the product rate or 12% integrated rate. What is if any MRP defined like 36 and MRP is 84 rupees can be defined if needed. Here we can make a product name SPR2 like that, product short stock reminder, how much quantity should be, make a reminder, how many days expiry intimation like 30 day, 1 month before like this. So you can define various product. Let's create one more product the similarly analgesic tablet like that, and tablet it is general medicine and it is thrice in the day should be taken a parameter and CAN FIS Synfax fixture S Y K A dash FIS. I am taking some product names for identify and understand very well. We here the packing of 5 12 18% taxable value. It is rate of MRP like 68 rupees, like 108 MRP like that, and CRFX price code. And similarly, let's create one more product of the system. So let assume tramadol 500 capsule. Okay, this is the product is capsule, tramadol 500 capsule, and this is the Sun Pharmaceuticals relevant product here, like this way. And so it's a 15 packing tablet like that, and it is the 18% taxable value. Here price is for 105 and 210 rupees MRP like this. This is, and it is scheduled drugs or like this. So you can define item master configuration, and just we save this data and the product master will be added. Now the second part, we have to create a vendor also from where we are getting medicine are credited. So let's create a one vendor supplier, like we go here and we put here 08 ABC, the respective the company supplier tax ID, the company name, MGH medical and pharmacy, MGH medical and pharmacy. There is the tax license number like that, and here drug license number, and you can put here the contact person name, Mr. Mohan Kumar Reddy. There is the WhatsApp or mobile number 95888 40007. If needed to mention the WhatsApp mark also, if you needed to be send the information here, the respective suppliers vendor email ID if needed. Okay, okay, this way you can define the basic information. Here SBI bank, like the bank of name of bank, where it is situated location, bank location, C scheme branch, and it is current account, business account like that. So you can select according to the name of company, like MGH medicals and pharmacy. This is the account holder's name. Here account holder's name 60 like this way, and IFSC like SBI, account number, mobile number of the supplier, email ID. So we can put here Yogesh Kumar. So we have basically created a vendor's profile where we regularly will able to maintain their purchase record and vendor ledger management. That's why we has to create a information. This moment you can also upload is cancel payment check status to maintain the verified account, and this way we save and print a one vendor will be created. Now the third stage comes, how we should make a request to respective vendor what items we are looking for. So we go to purchase order window, where we can have select the supplier, MGH pharmacy, or where we are going to taking purchase. So we go to MGS medical and pharmacy. Okay, and whenever you like to make a purchase request, so you can make the product name request, what are product you are looking for, SUPR. So we can select the respective list of product which item we are going to order, how many quantity you are placing order, you can select of that. Along with if you would like to send one more item, multiple item request, so you can select here next product set quantities. It is 250 quantities requested. The third one is like the IV set like that, this way. This is 100 quantity order required item requirement, and along with the tramadol 500 mg it is 500 quantity requirement, as well as the we need CANFI Synfaxiska and it's needed 750 quantity. So like this way we can make a request to this pharmacy company MGS Medical and Pharmacy of the purchase order. This purchase order will send a pre-approval request to the pharmacy in charge. Once the pharmacy in charge will make it the confirmation, then this order will placed to respective vendor and the intimation will be shared via email or WhatsApp. So this is one confirmation by user. Now this request will reflect to pharmacy in charge dashboard. The pharmacy in charge dashboard having provision to make it approve or reject like that if needed. So here this is with the respective purchase order number 267 as we recently confirmed. So this is match with the respective entries, and once the pharmacy in charge would like to preview before approval, so they can check what item requested by the pharmacy guys to new purchase order to the respective vendors. So once they see if everything is okay, they will click on right click to make it approval, and the approval confirmation will be also shared to the respective vendor, and the vendor will be intimated via email or WhatsApp of the purchase order for pharmacy. After that doing so, the respective vendors will able to supply the respective medicines or quantity item to the your pharmacy section, and pharmacy section guys will prepare able to make them GRN purchase credit into the pharmacy purchase window. Now whenever the pharmacy vendor supply your product, you can go to purchase window and you can select here respective vendor from where we have received. So once we select the respective vendor, we will able to see which order number to be converted into invoice, and product inventory will be added. So we select here 267 number, just we place the order number, and all item will be automatically reflected here into purchase window also. On this moment, packing quantity, rate, MRP will be predefined, will be auto fetch, and here you can make the date of expiry of product like this way, 02 somewhere. If you mention all the date of expiry, it will make an intimation before submission. So let's put here okay 10 2026. Here we can make the some batch number records of the product information. This is we doing a purchase entry in, and this moment the system, once we save, the stock will be credited into pharmacy in the central store. So the user will able to supply. Here the total valuation will be added, how the payment we have paid, like any transportation charges is be added to be like this way. So you can add the respective tax information and just save and print. Your purchase order number will be updated in the software and your invoice will be updated. Okay, so for example, sorry, there was we did not have mentioned the invoice number, that's why the system will able to make your confirmation not added CC. So let's AMGH, we put here invoice number and will mention respective date of purchase of and you can put here expiry date of product 2025 of respective product purchasing 2026 2027 like this way, and here various batch number, expiry code of the product will be you can mention during purchase entries. Okay, so this is your purchase entry we have submit successfully mentioned in the required field. Just we save and print. At this moment your purchase credit invoice will be updated, as well as the stock will be added to your central pharmacy. Now the central pharmacy user will capable to directly supply, or based on the inventory request to supply, they can supply the respective product to different department from supply window. So here if we go supply window, we like to supply to pharmacy counter 1 outside counter, so we can able to supply what item we are needed to supply, like CAN FI X item. This is we like to supply 50 stock quantity currently, along with we like to sell supply the tramadol tablets for 500 quantity for like this way, and another medicines quantity like 68 medicines zinco with tablet. So we can supply the respective product quantity to do sellable availability, so 950 quantity like this way. Okay, so we're doing some supply to out stock for out supply to maintain their supply out patient supply request processing like this way. So drug supply has been confirmation done, and also you can show to stock window where you will able to see all products ledger, how much product we have purchased, how much we have currently availability, from which vendor, product name, composition, everything you can observe here in the report log, where product type, composition, barcode, the respective availabilities, packing, MRP, tax, everything you will be able to evaluate in the stock ledger report. Even you can able to check the closing report of today's revenue for medicines, opening stock, purchase, sales, availability, sales, cancellation, refund, and closing stock. So where you can evaluate this kind of the product wise evaluation for pharmacy central management side. Okay, so you can see observation for whole pharmacy management side. Now let's come to the outside window, where how the outside supplier or medical counter will be maintain their daily activity via the software. So here go to medical sales window, outside window. In this window you can see these are some patient are reflecting. This patient are intimation of the prescribed medicine request received from the doctor. Either it is requested from the nursing desk, or it is requested from OT. So and from various event any medicine request is generated, that will become with the bell icon. So the respective user will able to select the patient, pharmacy user, and they can auto bill with the patient. They need not to type any item quantity, automatically reflect with the requested medicine quantity, how much quantity they have to prescribe. Sometime if the medicine quantity advised by doctor is not available in the stock, so it will become here 0. So here the sales user will able to sell the same kind of medicine or same composition with the different vendor, with selecting the different kind of product composition and how much medicine to be sellable to the patient. So they can supply the respective quantity here, along with here any medicine quantity. If they want to sell, they can select the same composition different medicine, and they can capable to sell the medicine. Here also having option, if patient amount is total 1185 rupees, but patient don't have full amount, so they can have provision to sell multi payment option like 500 like cash amount, and some part payment patient want to pay UPI, debit, credit card, or mobile payment like that, and some payment due pending. So multi payment basis billing can be performed in the pharmacy desk. So here we do patient sales and receipt for the certain patient. Sales receipt can be generated. So this is the pre-request medicine basis sale of the particular patient, and this is your sales receipt for patient, where the patient name, UHID, detail of medicine quantity, how much amount has been given, like this can be done. Now let assume sometime patient come out of hospital, they don't have registered and prescribed medicine. So we how do we billing? So we can do outside patient billing from creating a new patient. For example, let's say we create a patient Swati Roha, and patient like the relative name, patient age. Okay, here patient's mobile number. Okay, if we did they want to send the patient's intimation over WhatsApp, so they can also have capability to send the patient receipt over WhatsApp, and he can mention patient mobile number and other detail. Okay, here we can sell the medicine quantity, how much quantity to be sell, like they need to sell 3 quantity like that. So 3 tablet quantity, along with we like to set Zincovid tablet 10 tablet, and any other medicines they like to sell. So we can select multiple medicine quantity, respective order, how much quantity they need to sell the patient. So okay, W or A. So this way we can able to sell the respective medicine. Here total payable amount, if patient have amount in the cash card, UPI, or we need to give discount, so we can make a round up discount like 3381 to make it round up purpose. So payable amount will be sorry, there is total payable amount coming for total patient 16,000 and their patient is referred by any specific doctor, we can select here. And here total taxable 13.10 rupees discount, and patient payment mode, like patient is like to pay, patient amount is the 1000 as a cash, some payment via debit credit card or like that, and 500 cash like this, and some payment due pending. So this way you can prepare a patient sales receipt of the requested medicines item via generating save and print. This time you will get a printable receipt for outpatient or walk-in patient or any cash patient who like to sell patient medicines supply. So this moment system will generate a patient medical sales receipt for outside, and if you get any specific discount, it will be remarked over the patient bill also, and patient payment cash card, debit, credit card will be intimated in the system receipt, and it can be sent on email or WhatsApp. This was the primary flow of the patient sales receipt. If you like to see now the sales report, similarly the how much sales report today, so you go to sales report button. You can simply apply various required filter and just click on search window. The sales revenue will be in front of you, how much sales report, how much sales return report, how is the collection revenue to be deposited for the accountant person. So this way the revenue observation can be done with patient wise. If you like to see the refund report, particularly how much refunds was performed today, so you can observe the respective medicines refund entries of the certain product in the system. Similarly, if you like to see closing stock of the current account uses current location, so you can see the available sales report of medicine product quantity and out opening quantity, in transfer receiving quantity, out transfer means you have the respective vendor sent to the OT nursing desk like that. This is the patient sale quantity of respective product, patient returning quantity, damage quantity or expired quantity like that. And here you will have option to stock medicine stock view, how much stock is available in the current stock location. So you can see the current stock available for outside counter. Here in the stock transfer value, if you like to transfer the item from one location to another location, so you can able to transfer the respective medicine from another location, and you can see transfer report also. If you have transferred any medicine from your current location to another location, you can access the report here. And here you will having option, if you like to request a item that is not available in your current location, you can place the item quantity, what item quantity are required to this current stock, so you can make order request, so the central pharmacy will supply the requested item for patient saleable purpose. So let's make some item quantity requesting, and this request will go to the central store. The central store guys will able to make them you supply the respective product into your outside pharmacy. And here we will have to able to see the medicine sales report, profit loss statement of the all kind product, how much profit or loss we have received from the sales revenue with respective product wise. You can compare the profit loss summary from the software. Okay, so this was the outside medical sales report operation revenue observation. Now let's come back to the central store. What are the rest activity we can maintain into the central store? So into the central store activity, you can see overall hospitals closing report or pharmacy closing report from various medicines, their opening quantity, their out supply quantity, their OT supply, nursing quantity, supply revenue, and patient sales quantity, patient refundable information of the product quantity, along with the in transfer discard or medicine vendor return information, and closing report information can be seen here. Along with you like to see report of the purchase sales of particular drug medicine wise, so we go here and we can see the product wise sales revenue of the purchase entry of all medicines product quantity with different taxes like 5% taxable, 12% taxable, profitable item 18%, and the sales report like that. And after doing so, you will have tax input credit report, how much tax is you have to deposit or it is your advance payment like that. So it will show you the tax evaluation report of the GST or your local taxes applied to be paid to the government like that. Now we come to the tax report section. There is various kind of the required report you can generate from the software, either B2C sales report, GST or 3B kind of the report. So this kind of the various report revenue can be accessible here. Monthly report or taxable slab wise report, here you can able to different tax report slab information, monthly sales report of the bill number wise, GRN number wise, sales collection monthly report. So that can be, you can access them also, HSN number wise report like that. So this help you to evaluation your respective sales revenue. Now let's go to the vendor management side. So vendor management part will help you to evaluate your medical sales, vendor payment entry and ledger management. So go to vendor summary. If you like to apply date filter, so you will able to see all vendors payment summary, billing summary, how much bill we have purchased in this particular duration. Along with, if you like to see this particular vendor's bill is coming 73,500, what item was we received, so just click on the over print icon. You will get the further open detail with respect to item, what is the containing this item, invoice information can be open in the over clicking there. Similarly, if you like to see any particular account summary for respective vendor, like you select any specific vendor and just you search on the specific vendor's ledger of purchase entry, payment entry like that. If you like to payment any particular vendor supplier record, so you can go to vendor payment summary logs and just to see how much due invoice record are there. If any payment is already paid, that will be green mark. If payment is pending for any respective invoice, you will able to select multi payment invoice and you can select that one payment for all invoice can be clubbed here, all amount will be clubbed, and you can select mode of payment like, and just making payment entries, and you can make the payment entries for the certain vendors of the amount of discount or 5%, 10% if any arises, and payment, how the payment check or bank check given. This way you can make the payment of the respective vendor. So this is the payment entries for pharmacy side. Along with, you go to the pharmacy window and having shortage stock information, where you can able to see the shortage stock to reorder level, and you can make the order level, and this order will be reflect into the view express order also. So you can mark them view express order, that will be added to respective vendors purchase request, and just you can make them order instantly, not much taking time. Along with expiry and damaged product window, here you can select the respective product that you would like to return to the vendor, or you would like to send them back to the respective vendor. So you can either discard or damage, you can return to the vendor. And these are the part. If you go to composition group master, you can create here, you can maintain your package like delivery packages, orthopedician surgery packages. So you can make the packages item here, multiple items in the system software in the pharmacy window. Now let's come the most important factor, the profit or loss statement of the pharmacy. You can go to here and apply the duration filter of the product system, and you can get it. The what is the profit or loss we have received from total sales revenue from pharmacy side. So you can get to the sales revenue of respective product in the pharmacy side. So these are the key information of software. And the major USP of the software, it is multi-user role based accessible, like that this is the pharmacy user. If you like to create a medical user also, or any specific user based access, so you can go to user based access, and the respective module can be given, and the supporting working can be performed here in the different user account wise. So it will gives you a primary introductory idea of the pharmacy purchase, sales, outward supply, stock transfer, medical sales, outpatient sales, return, sales report, sales cancellation. Let me see one more information for you, how any patient come back, and if any medicine you like to refund from the patient or cancel report. So go to sales report or like that, and either a patient will bring you the report summary, and just search the patient report, and here you can select any particular patient for which medicine you like to return from the patient. Go to patient selection, and after that doing so, just come back here and making the sales return condition. So go to patient UHID searching, either patient name search, you will have the patient record, or you can find out here patient name like PANT Bunty, and I think there is no authorized, that's why let's go to administrative account. The administrative accounts will capable to refund provision as authorized. So we go to user login here and medical sales access window. We can select any particular patient for which we like to refund. So for example, let's say this patient is having return to a returnable medicine. So this two yellow medicines reflect the refund medicine status, how much refund amount was performed. Similarly, if you like to select any refund medicine for sales window, so just click on refund icon, sales return. The available medicine will show returnable, like 5 quantity to be returned for this medicine. Here 5 tablet to be returned. Here no medicine to be required return. While the returning as a patient recover, as a patient recovered. This way you can return take back medicine from the patient, and the receipt return receipt will be added, as well as this will also show you the returnable information of medicine. You can see like this way the sales return medicine record log will come here. So these are the key information of software revenue, and that will be reflected also in the sales report, how much the sales report, sales refund report. So here the respective patient's refund report will be also reflected here, and amount will be reduced from the sales collection window, like this way. So this is the medical pharmacy sales window. If any user have any specific topic relevant query about the pharmacy module, they can write into the comment box. We will definitely make another video to explore that particular section. Hope you like. Thank you so much. Have a good day.